Come play Cars with Will. Come on, come play Cars with Will.
Morning. You're going to play Cars with Will. You can play the Cars with Will.
Okay, watch out. Go get to your cars, buddy, so she comes to you. Come on. Scoot back, buddy. Come sit by your cars so she crawls to you. Ooh, such tough work. I'm getting there. Come on, Emma. Come to Mommy.
Hey.
Emma, come here.
Emma. She's not.
Here she goes.
She's not.
Here, let's push your car towards us. Just put it right on the edge of the rug, honey. Okay, come get the car.
Come get the car.
There she goes. Leave it there, Will. Or put a different one there. Put one for her. There she goes. She got it. Emma. Hey, watch out.